Hey, Trent Harris with Master Medical Equipment. Coming to you today to talk to you a little bit about the GE VScan Air, and it's GE's new wireless handheld portable ultrasound. We'll just do an unboxing here. Nifty little magnetic case. And it comes with a wireless charging pad. So as far as the case itself, it's very easy to stow away in a cargo pocket or a pair of scrub pants. The probe, it's two probes, curved probe and a linear probe. The device literally has one button. Kind of hard to believe that you can get this many features packed in a small device like this, and you have one button to worry about as far as operation. It does connect to a tablet or smartphone, many different iOS and Android applications. You can quickly assess patients in their homes, in the field, or during transport. It helps you accelerate clinical decisions and perform guided interventions, such as vascular access and drainage procedures with safety, with the help of a visual scan at the point of care. Now you can assess and address your patient's most common conditions, including 90% of the American College of Emergency Physicians core applications. It's ready to help perform the most common exams in a pre-hospital setting, such as a guided vascular access, FAST and EFAST exam. Evaluate shortness of breath or undifferentiated hypotension, perform fluid removal procedures, look for long bone fractures, and you can assess volume status and fluid responsiveness. It's a very secure device. You can securely share images with the EMR, share images with other apps. You can has a secure DICOM, including the option of peer authentication, secure user authentication. Passwords are required to assess patient data. It is very easy to use, and it comes with a 3-year worry-free warranty. If you do look at the VScan Air compared to the other devices on the market, I think you will easily see the image quality of the VScan, along with the other features. It clearly stands out in the field. Thank you for watching today, and if you would like to see more content, please follow us. Push that like button. Thanks.